Welcome to your new luxury home in the heart of Centreville. This 3-level colonial has been lovingly maintained with over $150,000 of updates.
Nestled within a planned community on a private cul-de-sac, this is not only the premier lot, but the premier home, and we're excited to show you what really makes it unique. As you enter the kitchen, you'll be blown away knowing and seeing where over $90,000 went to upgrading this kitchen. That's right, it's not the builder base. You're gonna notice the custom cabinetry, the granite countertops that flow seamlessly throughout. And I wanna draw your attention to a couple things that people don't normally notice. Cabinets are everywhere, so storage will not be a premium. It's amazing. And there's even built-in pantry with pull-out drawers. When you go to entertain and you're having to cook multiple things at the same time, not only do you have this amazing cooktop and oven, you also have this wall oven built in because they didn't want to take up another cabinetry for us. So they put it right into the island, which is rare. And not only do you have this sink overlooking the gorgeous deck and backyard, you also have this prep sink. So when they redid this kitchen, they thought about everything, down to the minute detail of what truly makes a gourmet kitchen and one that you'll fall in love with.
The 2-story great room is right off of the kitchen with hardwood flooring, a gas burning fireplace. The patio door reaches out to your deck. Now, this room you will use year round. This is your sunroom that's once again is right off of your 2-story great room with tile and another access out to the woodlands that you back to. The main level also features a living room with built-in bookcases, a dining room with access to the kitchen, along with the mudroom off of the garage. The primary suite features a sitting room. You have vaulted ceilings, built-in shelving, along with your gas-burning fireplace, plenty of room to unwind and relax. Also, as you look out and see the beautiful forest land. The ensuite includes a vaulted ceiling, recessed lighting, tile, a step-in shower, along with a soaking tub, a double vanity, and additional cabinetry. The upper level also features 3 additional bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with a catwalk that overlooks your great room.
Imagine the ultimate lower level, where you have space for a game room, a fully walkout basement, gas-burning fireplace, functional wet bar for entertaining, and I want to show you the exercise room. One of the nuances we've seen with home gyms is the step up from basic equipment to actually gym-grade equipment.
When was the last time you saw a full-size squat rack in a home gym?
As you're here getting the best exercise you can from your own home, you'll notice the wall-to-wall mirrors that provide the greatest way to see your results. All of this gym equipment will convey to the new owner.
The outdoor of this home is fantastic for entertaining. You have 2 different accesses to get out to your extremely large deck, along with walk-down steps for another area to host your guests, while still backing to protected woodlands.
Imagine coming home at night to enjoy this privacy, or waking up early in the morning on your custom walk-down deck to really enjoy one of the most premier lots within this coveted community.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.